How to transfer money from Wise to Binance. As of late 2023, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, has ceased supporting withdrawals to Binance. This means that you can no longer directly transfer money from your Wise account to your Binance account. Now, you might be wondering what your alternatives are for transferring funds to Binance. Fortunately, there are still several options available. One option is to transfer funds from your Wise account to a bank account that is supported by Binance. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can then deposit them into your Binance account using the bank transfer option. To do this, simply initiate a transfer from your Wise account to your chosen bank account. Once the funds have arrived in your bank account, navigate to your Binance account and select the deposit option. Choose the bank transfer method and follow the instructions to complete the deposit. It's important to note that transferring funds between accounts involves fees and may take some time to process, so be sure to factor in these considerations when planning your transactions. In summary, while Wise no longer supports direct withdrawals to Binance, you can still transfer funds by first sending them to a bank account that Binance supports. Remember to consider fees and processing times when choosing this method. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more helpful content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy trading!